The job that can make you 100K plus starting out is in cybersecurity. Wait, don't get scared, it's not even hard to get your first job, let me explain. There's good and bad news. The good news is that the number of cybersecurity professionals is at an all-time high. According to ISC2's annual cybersecurity workforce study, 4.7 million people currently work in a security-related job. The bad news, the study also found a worldwide gap of 3.4 million cybersecurity workers. 70% of those surveyed also said they think their organization's security team is understaffed, decreasing its effectiveness. As cyber attacks grow increasingly sophisticated and threat landscapes expand, organizations need to get creative in their cybersecurity approach. We need more talent, but be more inclusive about who is brought on in these jobs. The market isn't clueless about how hard they've been making it to get even an entry-level information security job. So without further ado, let me tell you about this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. ISC2 jump-started a new initiative called 1 Million Certified in Cybersecurity. Participants enroll as an ISC2 candidate, where they will get free training in a self-paced course and a free exam opportunity. Once certified, the participant will have access to the professional development opportunities and resources that other certified professionals have. While the overall objective is to increase the available skilled labor needed in entry-level positions and beyond, it is also an opportunity for more people to explore a cyber career without spending thousands of dollars. Most importantly, it should offer employers confidence when bringing in less experienced talent. I'll drop the link below if you feel like pursuing this. https://www.isc2.org/1mcc. What's more, this is a real job from Indeed.com that is wanting this certification today, and they are offering $77,000 to $96,000 per year.